Let's recap what we know about ionic bonds. Ionic bonds are weak bonds. They are broken easily, even in the presence of water. We know that they are formed by donating or receiving electrons. They are formed between oppositely charged ions. The examples of compounds that are held together by ionic bonds are potassium chloride and calcium chloride. Let's recap what we know about covalent bonds. Covalent bonds are strong bonds. They are formed when electrons are shared. Electrons are shared equally or unequally. When they are shared equally, nonpolar covalent bonds are formed. When they are shared unequally, polar covalent bonds are formed. Some examples of molecules that are held together by covalent bonds are methane, hydrogen, oxygen, and water. Let's recap what we know about hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds are weak bonds. They are formed between hydrogen and some other atom. Hydrogen bonds are found between water molecules.